Hi, this is Mike Karen from the Paperless PTO. In this video segment, we are going to show you how to take some of the attributes that are unique to your parent-teacher group and show you how to apply them to your website. When you first subscribed to the Paperless PTO, you provided information about your schools, your organization, and your district. And this information has been recorded and already used in the website that we provide for you. For example, you'll see up in the banner portion of your homepage, you'll see that the name of the parent-teacher group that you provided during the setup is displayed here. In this case, the Anytown PTO. From this point on, you will be able to change that information if needed. So the first thing we'll do is log into our account. And once logged in, we will go to the website builder, which you can find under the board only menu option, and then click on the link that says Manage PTO. You then arrive at a page which has the basic information about your parent-teacher group. This is the information you provided in the setup, and it includes the address as well as an alternate address if you need. And this is information you can also provide here now and make updates to, and it will be recorded. There is also the web scheme down here. What this does is it determines the look and feel of your website. It defaults to a blue and orange color, but we have some other schemes that we have set up, some which go by the names of the colors that they are, others which we name after some existing parent-teacher groups who asked us to build the web scheme in the colors of their school. If you wanted to create your own web scheme, it's simply a matter of inquiring with us and we will put that scheme together for you. You'll also see that we have a box here labeled Events to List on Homepage. And what this does is it tells how many events that you have entered into your calendar, which also appear on your homepage. It tells how many of those events to list at a single time. Perhaps you have 30 or so events during the course of the school year, and you wanted to show only 10 at a time. Then the 10 next events that are to occur will appear on the homepage. And then as each event passes, they will no longer appear, and events 2 through 10 move up to the position of 1 through 9, and the 11th event becomes the 10th. Below the number of events to list, there is also two more checkboxes. The first one says to make a PDF of the directory viewable to all members. What this does is it will enable your family members who log into their own account to view the directory in PDF format. Normally this is an option that is not set on by default, but if you would like to have that option, you simply check here and click the Save button, and that will then become available to your members. Then there is also another box labeled Compress the Sidebar, and the sidebar is the middle portion of several pages of your website, and what that does is it sort of shrinks the text to give it more of a compressed look. And that's something that you'd want to try for yourself just to see what kind of an aesthetic look it has and whether you like it or not. Next, you'll find a location where you will need to provide bank account information, the name of the bank, the routing number, your checking account number, and the type of account if it is checking or savings. Now we need this information in order to transmit funds that are due to your parent-teacher group. And in most cases these will come from the credit card activity amongst your families. If you are using the e-commerce features, you would typically have items for sale and your family members would purchase those, and then as those funds come through the system, we transmit them to your account electronically. And the other scenario is where we have the fundraising option on each Paperless PTO website. If your families are generating residual income for your parent-teacher group, we would again transmit those funds to you electronically with the information that you provide here. And finally, on this page we have text areas where you can provide your homepage greeting. There are actually two. There's a homepage greeting and the second homepage greeting. And what will happen is that whatever you provide in these text areas will appear on the upper left-hand corner of your website. And in this case, you can see that we have the greeting to say welcome to your new website in the first greeting. If we wanted to provide a second one, we can simply put that information here, and let's just jazz it up a little bit. We'll say that this will be the source of all information dealing with our parent-teacher group, and what we'd like to do is perhaps give it, let's say, a blue background or a blue text, and we'll give it a nice contrasting background, let's say an orange one there. Then when we click the save button at the bottom of this page, that will update that information, and it simply becomes a matter of us going to the home page of the website, and you can see that the welcome greeting now has welcome to your new website, as we had seen was already there, and then the highlighted text with an orange background in the blue lettering, which we just added, that says this will be the source of all information dealing with our parent-teacher group. And if you wanted to remove any of that or change it in any way, you simply go back to the Manage PTO page of your Paperless PTO website, and that can be found in the website builder. Once you arrive there, click on Manage PTO. If you wanted to remove it, you simply scroll down to the bottom to that greeting, take it out, click the Save button, then go back to the home page of your website, and you see that you only have the one greeting available or viewable. Most of the tasks that we just performed are found in several locations throughout the website builder, so once you become acclimated with the system, it will be very easy to point and click in order to make updates to your liking. That concludes this video segment. I am Mike Karen from the Paperless PTO, and I will see you in the next one.